Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Code Space. I am Nishan Patel and today we are going to show the problem level order triangle. And if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start. So let me tell you one thing. In tree there is two well-known triangle. First is BFS, second is DFS. Okay. In DFS there is three parts. First is pre-order, second in-order, and third is post-order. Okay. So if you want to learn like how these three pre-order, in-order, and post-order work, then there is bunch of YouTube video available, and it's just a two-line recursion code. But in this video I am going to show you the level order triangle, which is breadth first search, and specifically I am showing you the iterative approach with the help of queue. So without any delay, let's start our video. Okay, so here I take one example of binary tree, and yeah, we want to find the level order triangle. So as per name, we have to do triangle by level to level, right? And we know guys what is the level in tree. Like in this tree the level first is 0, then this is the first level, this is the second level, and this is the third level. So if we uh, we have to find the level order triangle for this tree, then the answer is for the first 0 level there is 12, then second level is 1, for its there is 2 and 23, then 5, 6, 8, 12, and last 45 and 100, right? This is our answer. We first travel this level, then second this, then third, and fourth at the end. So for the level order triangle of the tree, we will use the data structure which is queue. Those who don't know about the queue, then queue is the data structure which follows the rule first in first out. So the element which we inserted first will be removed first, right? For tree we will simply add root element to our queue, okay, as I show here. Then after we will remove 12 from the queue and add into our output list. And one important point, whenever we remove any element from the queue, then we will store into our output variable, okay. And after removing the element we will check whether it's left or right is null or not. No, there is left of 12 is 2 and right of 12 is 26. So we will simply add into our queue. Then first we will remove the 12 and add 2 and 23. After again we will do this process repeatedly. Then we will remove 2, add into the output, and check whether left or right of 2 is null or not. No, there is not null, there is 5 and 6. So we will again add into the queue 5 and 6. Then we will remove 23 and add into our answer, and check the left and right of the 23, which is 8 and 12, right? So we will add 8 and 12. Now we will remove the 5 from the queue, add into our answer, and check whether left and right available or not. No, there is left and right for 5 is both null. So we will do nothing and we will continue our process. And again we will remove the 6 from the queue and add into our answer list, and check the left and right of the 6. Left is 45 but right is null, so we will simply add the 45. Now again we will remove 8 from the queue and add into our answer, right? And check the left and right of the 8 again, but here left is null but right is 100, so we will add 100 into the queue and remove 8, okay. Then again we will remove 12 and store into our output, right? And as you can see, this left and right of 12 is null, we will do nothing. Again we will remove 45 from the queue, and left and right of 45 is null, so we will do nothing. Again we will remove 100 from the queue and store into the answer, okay. So here you can see 12 is level 0, 2 and 23 in level 1, 5, 6, 8 tree on the level 2, like I mean 3 if we start from 1, and this is our last level. Okay, so this is our answer, and this is our level order traversal for this example, right? I hope you understood this. Look into the code. Here, given a binary tree, find its level order traversal. Level order traversal of a tree is breadth first traversal for the tree. Sorry guys. Yeah, so as I told you, first we will create a queue, right? Then we will in Java we will create array list to store our answer into the list. And what we will first do, so as I explained, we will first add our root node into the queue, right? So we will add root, which is pass in we have given in the input. Okay, then we will continue our process until queue will not be empty, right? So first we will remove our 12 first element, right? As we remove the 12. Okay, then we will add into the list, right? Because this is our like output answer. Then after we will check whether the left and right of the queue is null or not. If left is not null, then we will add into the queue, and right is not null, then we will add into the queue. And after this we will remove the element which we pick. Pick means we will simply pick first element, but it will not remove the element. But after this we will remove the element from the last this step, queue.remove. Okay, and whenever queue is empty, then we will come back from the loop, and simply we will get our answer into the list, and we will simply return the list, right? I hope you got it. And let's submit and check it. Okay, problem solved successfully. So yeah, that's it for today. Today we are learned level order traversal, and in future video we start learning the very famous interview question like left view, right view of the tree. For this, the level order traversal is necessary, so I decided to make a video on this. Okay, I hope you understood this question and answer very well. And if you enjoyed this video a lot, then don't forget to press the like button, and if you are new here, then subscribe to my channel, and we will meet soon again with our new video. And if you have any query, then you can put it on the comment box. I will surely reply it. That's it for now guys, we will meet soon. Okay, bye bye, take care.